Hi everyone, welcome to Momuscraft. In this video, we'll learn how to create a perfect skull mask for Halloween. Once it's finished, you can draw or paint on it to customize it however you like. Subscribe so you don't miss upcoming projects. The first step is to download the PDF with the templates. The link is in the description. The best way is to print the templates on white cardstock, but if you prefer, you can print them on paper and then glue the pieces onto white cardstock. Remember, there's also a smaller version of this mask for kids. To make it, we'll need a total of 5 sheets of white or bone-colored cardstock. Here we have the pieces. As you can see, all the pieces are the same color. Besides cutting each piece, we also need to fold along the lines. If you don't remember how to fold them, here's a short video showing you how to do it correctly. Alright, with the pieces ready, let's start building. We'll begin by finding and joining the pieces numbered 1, 2, and 3. First, apply glue to the flap on piece 2 and attach it to piece 1. Then, apply glue to all the flaps of those 2 pieces and attach piece number 3. Take your time joining them to get the best results. Next, we'll move on to pieces 4 and 5. These pieces will help us start forming both eyes of our mask, so be careful when gluing the flaps. Remember, you can pause or rewind the video to get a better look at how the pieces are joined. Piece number 6 will help us finish forming both eyes. Apply glue carefully and attach it until both eyes are complete. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future creations. Next up are pieces 7 and 8. With these, we'll form the lower part of each eye. Shape each piece and glue one on each side. Piece 7 on the right and piece 8 on the left. The last pieces we'll attach are pieces 9 and 10. We'll join them together to form the teeth and then glue them to the lower part of our mask to complete the figure. Now that our mask is ready, it's the perfect time to customize it in your own style. I recommend first using a pencil to draw the designs you want on your mask, then paint it however you like with your favorite colors. Finally, you can use a black marker to outline and add the finishing details. Or if you prefer, you can simply leave it white. I'll be using small pieces of black translucent fabric so that the eyes and nose of the mask appear black, but also to allow me to see and breathe while wearing it. And this is how our new skull mask looks completely finished. Remember, you can support this content by joining Momuscraft Premium and you'll be able to download any template from the channel without ads. Thank you so much for watching the video.